Oh, he's turned the compressor off as well. Go. Right. Welcome back. Welcome back to another fucking piss about where my mum's going to tell me off because we're saying about penis. No, don't use this. Welcome back everybody to this vlog. Keith's painted the Nova, looks good, not bad for Keith.
Ready for you to scratch it all?
Yeah, I've put a mark on it, I ain't told you yet. Simon's inside.
Making a noise.
She's gonna have a bit of light now. Doing the interior, what are you doing, Keith?
I'm flattening and polishing the bonnet, mate.
Yeah.
They're nice and shiny.
Ideal. All them
Shinier, sorry.
Yeah. Flattening all them runs out. So yeah, let's get cracking with the vlog.
Sorted.
Right, go and put your mini skirt on then.
Tell you what, saves on washing. Look.
Yeah. Sexy that is.
All that polish, I can pick that polish off. I'm not a Scotsman. Got something to leave my sparring alone. And why do I wear a skirt? Because the polish flicks off and goes all over my Donald the trousers. You just swore.
What are we doing here then? So all the coolant hoses were just cut and joined and instead of like one single hose, it was like 4 hoses joined up. So just making it look nicer and stuff like, well, that looks crap, doesn't it?
I do apologise.
Yeah, that looks pretty naff. It's actually split, so we'll chuck that away, get a new piece. And yeah, just making it neat and up nice. Excuse the head. Look at the state of that. Is it like red on the camera? Yeah, watching my son's footy match the weekend. Got a purple head. Oh, speaking of that, I've got some new merch. Let me go and get it. So you've heard of t-shirt cannons for the merch. We got this. Go on and bang me. Bang me.
Is this on part of the gang?
That's right. We're doing matching Odd Autos haircuts. So, because obviously a trip to Turkey is about £6 isn't it, Si? So it's cheaper, £6 for a...
Have I just got to wait for the stubble to grow?
We need a proper badge actually. We could get the emblem on that thing. Right, you've got to keep that on all day. See you in a bit. Let's see if we can get this thing running then. So, it's all piped up. Oh, here he is. Have a look at that. Yeah, and look at that. So we had on this Nova part stainless, part mild steel, and that for some. That's like performance.
I'm really getting annoyed now that you keep dissing my workmanship, mate.
Yeah, Canal. If you did that, I'd shoot you. But
I gave the gun.
So it's got a full stainless system on now. All the pipes are in, hopefully, and all right. So let's put this on the floor and let's try and start the bad boy. So I've rerouted, we've got to polish this up yet. So the intercooler pipe was wedged between the bonnet and the brake master, wasn't it? It was permanently on the master. So rerouted it, we've got to get some black pipes here.
And it was rubbing the bonnet as well, wasn't it?
Yeah. But it's time to start it. You gonna have a go? I think the fuel pump only works when it's cranking. I've got no throttle here because it's fly-by-wire, so yeah, just let it tick over for a bit, innit? Oh, that's the fuel pump working anyway. Say again.
Where do you want me? Do you want me closer?
Yeah, no, this will do, because then if the engine explodes, I'll be able to catch it and you'll just get like slow motion. Yeah. Make sure no wires are in the belts. Fucking hell, still tight that is. Right, go on then. That's quite quiet, that is. Give it a little rev. Come around the back and have a bit of a... There's a rattle. A bit of a rattle. Give it a rev. Right, what's the rattle? It's the wiper motor on that.
Oh, on the old mount.
Yeah. That's not bad, is it?
No.
Just work the wipers and just see if they work. Yeah, I'll take that. Sound. Well,
Why is the wheels going round?
yeah, I thought that was going to be comical and it weren't going to start, but
Have faith.
well, there we go.
Well, I haven't touched it, so it's got to start, mate.
We've managed to put a car back together exactly how it came apart, basically.
Yeah, and it started, and there's no fuel coming out the carbs or.
I'll do it. I'll pack that. You don't.
Oh no, I didn't do it, did I?
No.
Well done, mate.
Wow, that's that then. Let's sort this wiper out so it's not rattling its
Tit.
nuts off. And then, oh, just work the blower motor as well. Oh. That's quiet, that one. I can see it spinning. Yeah. Next now is the roll cage, which is, and I hate doing these bolt-in roll cages. It's the most joyful part of the car. Once that's done,
Doors on. It was easy, wasn't it? From the air.
then it is panel work. Doors,
Yeah, doors, wings, and then glass.
glass last.
And then bonnet.
Yeah, and then the car's done. Oh no, we're waiting for the interior off Austin, aren't we?
Yeah.
Sound. It starts. Just start it again. Let's. Oh no, we'll check the oil now. Right. See you in a bit.
Bye bye.
Right.
Right.
Welcome back.
Let's get the cage in. You ready?
So yeah, let's just put it all in loose. Well, try and get the bolts in, and then yeah, go from there. See if it's okay. Right. I think it goes in like more towards the middle. Right, that goes in there, but then that has to. See what I mean with that? That's got to go that side of that. Oh, my stomach rumbling.
That's him.
Wow. That's
That was
one.
easier than the Mark 1, wasn't it?
Yeah, I got loads.
So
more,
far.
Loads more to do, yeah.
Yeah, it's only the first one.
Oh, somebody put too much paint on it. Looks better in white though.
Yeah. Yeah, definitely.
Right, what should we do now? The top of the window, top of the front screen across.
Top of the front screen and try and then squeeze the other one in around it.
Yeah. No f***ing swearing.
Just make it more work, really.
Yeah. You gotta beep this out. Right. Should I do it so the bolts go upwards, and then when we tie it up, when we
goes
do
to
them
the
up,
roof.
yeah, we just get two like
Yeah.
speed bumps up there?
No, that's a good idea.
Or should I do them down so when you get out, it just like drags across your head?
Well, I'm alright because it'll touch my hair first.
Where's your hat anyway? Go and get your hat on.
I think you'll be a twat in a hat.
Felt my brain then.
Hey?
Just itching my ear, like poked in a bit hard. So this is where I snap the indicator stalk off like the Mark 1. Oh. And then I can't order one. Right, okay, knock that off. Ah, my penis.
You touched my nose.
Succulent Chinese meal. Ah.
Succulent Chinese meal.
Right. Right, you gotta
I just hoover this out.
suck it. Right. Back out now.
We've got plenty of white left, mate, you're right.
That's it. Yes. Look at that chicken.
It's a cockerel.
Cockerel.
Use me head.
Let's come out the other side now. No. That's it, yes.
She's in.
And I think that'll do. That's the cage in. And that's it for this video. Hope you liked the vlog again. Tried to make it a bit more funny this time.
Vlogs.
And that's it for this video. Hopefully you like these vlogs. The next video should be the main Nova video because we've nearly finished it now, haven't we? Yeah. A few more bits, breaks and other stuff, and then we're done. So have a good rest of the week and I'll see you on the next one.